Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Uniswap v3, a leading decentralized exchange protocol. Uniswap v3 offers a range of features and benefits. But to get the most out of it, it is essential to understand how to use it effectively. First, it is crucial to understand the concept of liquidity provision. In Uniswap v3, liquidity providers supply assets to a pool, which enables trading between different assets. To become a liquidity provider, you need to deposit two assets into a pool, and in return, you will receive a portion of the trading fees generated by the pool. When providing liquidity, it is vital to choose the right pool and the right range for your assets. The range refers to the price range in which your liquidity will be active. If the price moves outside of this range, your liquidity will be concentrated at the boundary, and you may be subject to significant impermanent loss. To minimize impermanent loss, it is recommended to provide liquidity in a range that is aligned with your market view. For example, if you believe the price of an asset will increase, you should provide liquidity in a range that is above the current market price. Another key concept in Uniswap v3 is the idea of concentrated liquidity. This feature allows liquidity providers to concentrate their liquidity in a specific price range, which can increase the capital efficiency of their liquidity provision. However, it also requires a deeper understanding of the markets and the potential risks. In terms of best practices, it is essential to monitor your liquidity provision regularly and adjust your range as needed. You should also consider using tools and strategies such as range shifting and reinvesting fees to optimize your liquidity provision. Additionally, it is crucial to understand the risks associated with providing liquidity, including impermanent loss, permanent loss, and smart contract risk. To mitigate these risks, you should only provide liquidity with assets that you are willing to hold long-term and make sure you understand the smart contract code and the potential risks. In conclusion, Uniswap v3 offers a range of opportunities for liquidity providers, but it requires a deep understanding of the protocol and the markets. By following best practices such as choosing the right pool and range, minimizing impermanent loss, and monitoring your liquidity provision, you can maximize your returns and minimize your risks. Remember to always do your own research and never provide liquidity with assets that you are not willing to hold long term.